Are you ready to transform your home into a luxurious haven without spending a fortune? Or maybe you're struggling to make the most of your small space while keeping it stylish? You're in the right place. Today, we'll share cost-saving tips, space-saving hacks, and secrets to achieving a luxury look on a budget. Stay tuned. These simple yet effective ideas can completely change your space. Tip 1. Cost-saving ideas. First, let's talk about saving money while upgrading your home. You don't need to spend a fortune on fancy furniture or decor. DIY projects are an excellent way to personalize your space without overspending. For instance, you can breathe new life into old furniture with a bit of sanding and a fresh coat of paint, an easy way to make it look brand new. Another great tip is to shop smart. Explore sales, thrift stores, or online marketplaces for budget-friendly treasures. You'll be amazed at the quality items you can find at a fraction of the cost. Tip 2. Space-saving hacks. Living in a small space? Maximize every inch with these clever tricks. Multifunctional furniture is your best friend. Think sofas that double as beds or coffee tables with hidden storage. These versatile pieces not only save space, but also keep your home organized and stylish. Don't forget about vertical storage. Instead of cluttering your floors, use shelves, hooks, or wall-mounted storage options. These solutions free up floor space and create a more open and airy feel. Tip 3. Achieving a luxury look on a budget. Want to create a high-end feel in your home? You don't need expensive designer items. Start with neutral colors like whites, light grays, or muted pastels. These tones make any room feel calm and elegant. Next, focus on statement pieces. You don't need a room full of decor. Just a few standout items like a bold artwork, a chic lamp, or a luxurious throw pillow can instantly elevate your space. And here's a pro tip. Repurpose what you already own. Rearrange your furniture, swap accessories, or mix and match items to refresh your space without spending a dime. Closing. So there you have it. Practical and budget-friendly ways to save money, optimize your space, and create a luxurious home. Why wait? Start with one or two of these tips today and watch your space transform. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more home decor inspiration. Happy decorating!